We love our customers and we work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers now and will continue to do so in the future. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.